Hello everyone, welcome to Power BI Playbook. Today I'm going to explain a very small tutorial that is about mod and rand between DAX. So let's see the tutorial. So this is very straightforward. For checking the mod DAX, so we create a new measure, mod example. So you can select right mod DAX and then just paste a number like let's say 12 and then divisor of that number, right? So then that is completed, and if I add that value to here, right, mod example, it's 2. It gives the remainder, let's say 12 divided by 5 is 2 and remainder is 2, so mod dax will give you the remainder. Now I will create the other one, rand between. So again I'll create a new measure, right, example. So I paste rand between, so this is generating a random number between two numbers. Very simple, right? Let's say 0 to 10. Then if I add that to a card visual, rand between. So here it generates a random number. Let's say if we say refresh this one, right? It generates a random number. So that's what this two DAX will do. Thank you and keep in touch for more Power BI tutorials.